By any chance, have you ever tried to go into shops in Korea and the owner approaches you and asks you questions in Korean? I'm sure you can relate to that. Stunned and embarrassed, you secretly want the owner to go away. But even that, you don't know how to say. Are you trying to call me? Me? I don't really speak in Korean. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I get you. INFJs like me probably will just pretend that they didn't hear anything. But sometimes all you need is really just a 괜찮아요. And today we are going to learn one simple trick that will help you make almost any request in the shop. 안녕하세요. 어서 오세요. 사장님, 이 운동화는 얼마예요? 55,000원이에요. 55,000원이요? 좀 비싸요. 깎아주세요. 네, 그럼 5만원 주세요. 네. 여기요. 봉투에 넣어주세요. 아, 아니다. 포장해주세요. 아, 죄송한데 이 신발로 바꿔주세요. 마음을 바꿨어요. 환불해주세요. 나가주세요.
To make request, we would need to use the ending form 주세요, which means please give me. It's very easy to use with nouns. 사과주세요. But if you want to request others to do something for you, you would need to change the verb from its base form to its your form. But instead of yo, you put 주세요.
So I guess now you do know how to make a request in a shop, right? But really, jokes aside, don't be an annoying customer like me. And if you want to make requests in a hotel, do check this video out, and I will see you there soon. Bye!